Yesterday, we got into the Hoh Rain Forest campground in Olympic National Park. I'm here with Damien. It took us about 5 hours to drive up here. We drove in from the Portland area. We went to the Hall of Mosses Trail and the Spruce Nature Trail. Today it's going to be a lot nicer. We're going to go onto the Hoh Trailhead. It's about an 18-mile hike. We're not doing that. We're going to go 5 miles in, see how we're feeling. If we go that far, come back, hang out.
Good thing about this trail is the signposts for how long it is obviously very intimidating for a lot of people, and they don't go on it. Are you poisonous?
Don't touch him. Alright, so we are, what do you think, a mile or two into the hike? But we're taking a break, having a sandwich, having some water, and continuing on. Uh, 5 miles was ambitious. There's a waterfall up there somewhere that we'll get to, hang out a bit, and go home. Or campsite. We've reached the 3-mile mark. We realized that the waterfall was not within reach of the hike. So I would say 6 miles round trip is good enough for me. So we just passed someone a moment ago. I said we're about a mile out, and I hope they're right because I'm tired.
Either that or we're unaware of how slow we're walking.
Yeah, people did pass us. They're like twice our age. We made it back to camp. We did a total of 6-ish miles. We changed, wiped ourselves down, and we've been getting harassed by flies. Got a little jelly, a little bit of water, a little bit of sandwich bag.
Some holes in there, hopefully that the flies crawl through, and then they either can't find their way out or they just get stuck in this. Oh, there's a fly on the strap, so it is attracting them. Get in there.
We're having a beer, well deserved, and it's time to hang out.
Person's body forever. like a glove.
As much as I enjoy camping, it always makes me appreciate the life I have back at home, with a shower and a bed. But it's nice to get outside and break the routine and just hang out for a little bit.